Hey guys! Wondering how I'm pulling off these insane viral transitions, transforming into mystical characters and flipping entire scenes with one click? Forget Photoshop, it's outdated. The real fight is here. Google's Nano Banana Gemini model versus Bytedance's brand new Seedream 4.0, the beast powering TikTok and CapCut. And today, I'm throwing them head to head, no filters, no excuses. Nano Banana versus Seedream 4, side by side, raw demos, and just wait, GPT jumps in too. Who takes the crown this fall? Let's find out right now.
All right, guys, but before we start our comparison, first, I will show you where you can use this new Seedream model completely unlimited, and also the new Nano Banana as well, completely unlimited. Go to my website called vortex.channel. Sign up, and if you are on Elite Powerhouse Master subscription, there is no limit on how many generations you can get. All the new models are all here. Just upload your photo right here, then type a prompt, and here choose the model. You have Seedream 4 model. You have all the best models here, including Seedream and of course Nano Banana from Google Gemini. And they're completely unlimited in case you have the Elite Powerhouse subscription. So make sure to get it. And here's the result. Looks amazing. And everything you can do here, unlimited generations. And now it's time for our Mortal Kombat battle side-by-side comparison of the Google Gemini Nano Banana model against the new Bytedance Seedream 4. You can choose them here on LM Arena, and then you can give your prompt. I'm gonna give my photo, and the prompt is put me in the red convertible in the Malibu highway. And here we have the first results. On the left is Nano Banana. I'm posing, everything is correct, but the only problem is I'm not inside the car. I'm kind of posing on the side of the road. And here we have Seedream inside the car, but it's not really a good idea to text and drive. I wouldn't do this in real life, so for this reason I have to call Nano Banana a winner here, but let's be honest, I think this one is a tie. Our next prompt is a woman holding a sign. Seedream, now in Vortex, and we change the background to golden hour sunset, and we want to zoom out a little bit, and you can see here in real time how long it takes to generate for each model. So this is also very interesting to compare. It's almost 40 seconds already, which is pretty long in my taste. I would prefer it generate faster. All right, it took more than a minute, and here is our result. Let's take a look. Nano Banana, what the hell is going on here with the hand? It's completely messed up. But aside of that, generated the golden hour. The text is correct, but I don't like this formatting at all. And here is Seedream, and it's obviously a clear winner in this comparison. The text is correct, the hands are correct, and everything looks perfect. So we have a winner here. Next, we're gonna check how well they're working with collages. Here we have an image of me, Cola, Malibu Road, and we have Ferrari convertible. Let's combine them all together and see how it goes. So here is our comparison. A cinematic, high-budget commercial-style collage featuring a glamorous woman driving red Ferrari convertible along the Malibu coast, holding and showcasing cola bottle, vibrant sunny atmosphere, luxury lifestyle, and mood. What do you think, guys? Nano Banana. I think it's pretty good, except the bottle is way too big. And here we have remaining of our original image, which shouldn't be here. Seedream, I kind of hate it. The face is kind of garbled and smooshed together. I hate it. This bottle doesn't make any sense. The text is all ruined and the whole thing doesn't look like high budget commercial. I think we can conclude in this round, Nano Banana takes 1 point. Next, let's check out how well censored the models are by masking all the possible violations, such as popular celebrities, characters from the movie stars. Superman and Batman are fighting against Simpson and Mickey Mouse. I'm trying to violate all the possible copyrights here just to see how well censored these models are. And look at that, guys. Actually, both of them were generated and all the characters are here. except this Homer Simpson who looks like a Hulk. Yeah, Green Hulk from Marvel Universe. Why is he so green? And he's chewing donuts and fighting Mickey Mouse, who looks like Harry Potter. All the possible violations are here, and I think both models are pretty much open. In the next round, we're gonna try to restore and colorize an old image to the modern state. And here I need to say that LM Arena is very buggy and soft. One returns errors for no reason. So here I only got results from Nano Banana, which looks pretty amazing. All in all, it looks amazing. All the details are preserved, and I just love the colors and everything looks perfect. And as LM Arena couldn't generate for Seedream, I went to vortex.channel and tried to generate it in Vortex as well, and here is the result. And I think this one is actually a winner. The skin is more realistic and all the colors are more natural. And I think Seedream wins this round actually. Let's do a couple of more comparisons. And now I switch completely to Vortex because LM Arena is always giving me errors, so I don't want to waste your time here. This is the original image of New York during the day, and I asked to switch day to night. So this is the image from Nano Banana. As you can see, it's pretty dull and boring, and I'm not very much impressed with this one. And here is Seedream. I think it's much better generation. I love the lights, and I think this was a perfect generation here. And in our final round, let's make an epic thumbnail for this video, Nano Banana against Seedream. And we have point in excited, center text, add clickbaity outlines, and make sure everything pops. And add a funny banana. And here we also used a GPT-4o model. These first two generations are from GPT-0 inside Vortex. And I think GPT actually is the best working with text and generating the funny banana. But as usual, as you know, GPT models always ruins the faces and changes everything too much. So aside of the faces, I think these two generations actually the best. Here we have two from Nano Banana. As you can see, they are pretty fun as well. The faces are correct. The text is correct as well, but it's not as epic and clickbaity as from ChatGPT. And unfortunately, I think Seedream lost this round. The text is way too small and the whole thumbnail is way too boring. And I wouldn't use this in YouTube. It's just not up to the standards of YouTube thumbnails. So in this round, we have the winner ChatGPT. The second place is Nano Banana and the third one is Seedream. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our comparison, and don't forget, you can try all the new models and video generators as well inside vortex.channel generator. Here, all the models you can dream of, all in one place. Flux, Krea, Image Pro, Seedream, Flux Ultramax, GPT, Vortex Nano Banana, Ideogram, Midjourney, everything you can dream of. And of course, video models as well. We have Hailu, we have Bytedance,
We have Kling.
we have Google VO3 with sound, everything you can dream of, everything you can find here. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow more AI news, AI drops, and see you in the next video. Take care and bye.